Friends, hello everyone. Welcome to this channel. In today's video, I will show you and tell you how you can reset your PIN in Facebook Messenger. Please friends, subscribe to this channel, put your likes, and forget to write your comments after watching the video. And let us get started with you. So, friends, resetting PIN code in Facebook Messenger can be very even useful if you, for example, suspect that someone knows it, or you just want to change it, or you have forgotten your previous PIN. To do this, you'll need to go to Facebook Messenger. Then click on the three bars in the top left corner. And that will take you to the menu. Click on the gear, then Privacy and Settings. Next, when you go to Privacy, you will need to select the encrypted chat feature. And then next, Message Storage. And here you will find a feature like Reset PIN. And now you will just need to enter your new PIN code that you come up with. After that, once again, enter it to confirm. And after such actions, your PIN code on Facebook Messenger will be changed immediately. I really hope this video helped you. You saw how you can quickly and easily ask for PIN code on Facebook Messenger. Please don't forget to subscribe to this channel, put your likes, also write comments. See you soon.